Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video what we are going to see is how to clear a format in Excel. Okay, sometimes in Excel files and cell we will apply lots of format. Example here you guys seeing, right, just bold, italic, underline and so many things. Sometimes we are putting some background colors. So in that case we want to remove the format, so that format we need to do lots of things. As example, we have to unbold it and we have to do the unitalic and we have to undo every options. So for to avoid that, Excel has a superb option called clear format. With that, we can easily clear all the format in a cell. So which cell you want to do the clear the format? Select that cell and go here, and there it will be under the editing. Click the clear button. After that, you can see the click the down arrow button. After that, you can see lots of clear format, clear content. So here we need to do the only the format. So we are just clicking the clear formats. Yeah, it's immediately changed to that basic format. So here also we are doing. So let's try here clear formats. Yeah. So only for these cells, let's do the clear formats. Yeah. So in this way, we can quickly clear the formats for which cell we want. For example, if you want to do the multiple cells, you have to select whatever the cells. If you want to do for the different cells, just select the difference. Example here, I'm just bold it. Here also I'm doing the bold. So for these two cells, if I want to do the clear format, select that two cells with holding the control key. After that, press clear formats. Simple, yeah, it's done. So this is the video for the clear formatting. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel, share this video to your friends. Thanks guys.